Hello, this is Siddharth Damber from Chicago Arthritis and Regenerative Medicine. Before we meet, I'd like to go over a few things to help guide you through what your evaluation process will be about. First and foremost, I'd like to thank you for trusting me and my team in your health. We take that very seriously. We specialize in non-surgical management of musculoskeletal conditions with a goal of treating your arthritis, tendinitis, injuries, and back pain in a manner so that we can maximize your function, minimize your pain, allowing you to do the activities that you enjoy with the people that you care about. In that regard, we are a bit different than some other physicians, clinics, hospitals, or providers that you've seen for your issues. Namely, we have a real great specialization and focus on regenerative medicine techniques. What that means is if your condition is amenable, we're going to recommend the best treatment option, and frequently that is a regenerative medicine treatment. Our strong and ardent belief is that 80% of orthopedic conditions can be treated and managed and maximized with regenerative medicine techniques. That's different than other clinics, which may only dabble in this, but we really focus in on this. In that regard, I've been involved in regenerative medicine since 2008. Regenix, the clinic and the network, has been involved in regenerative medicine since 2005. So we bring a great deal of experience in this field, and so the recommendations and treatment you'll receive from us are based on expertise, experience, specialization, and the recommendations and candidacy rating we'll give you is really based on the experience of treating thousands of patients in this field. One of the areas that we really specialize in is in knowing which products to use for your condition. Based on what your problem is, we will give you a plan that is focused and tailor-made for what your issues are. So the two main type of products that we use in regenerative medicine are platelet-rich plasma and bone marrow-derived stem cells. Platelets come from your own blood, and stem cells come from your own bone marrow. We draw these out, then prepare them in a manner where we specifically concentrate and isolate the cells that are required to treat your condition. We specifically tailor and personalize your treatment based on what is your degree of pathology, what is your problem, and how can we maximize the result in your case. After that, we then utilize a very high level of X-ray and ultrasound guidance to specifically deliver your cells exactly where your tissue is damaged and where we can significantly improve your condition to reach your goals. Part of our evaluation process is meant to be comprehensive and as specific as needed for what your condition requires. After a fairly dedicated history examination, we'll go over your imaging, whether that's tests you've already had done, additional diagnostic musculoskeletal ultrasound, or order additional imaging, MRI, or X-rays as needed in order to specifically determine what is causing your condition and how we can specifically treat it. Based on that, we'll then be able to give you specific guidance in terms of which particular treatment would be best served for your case, and also give you a specific candidacy rating to tell you how good of a candidate you are. We'll be able to tell you, are you a good, fair, or poor candidate, and based on that, what are expected results. A key part of regenerative medicine is post-treatment getting you to a higher level of function. And frequently that requires working with a physical therapist of your choice. We'll be involved in that process as well in terms of giving guidance for how you can achieve those goals post-treatment as well. The great thing about regenerative medicine is that the downtime after treatment is relatively limited, in particular compared to surgery. And again, trying to get you to maximize and optimize your condition is what we're trying to achieve here. I look forward to meeting soon. I also look forward to trying to help you achieve your goals.